All of us still remember how the success of Mangalyaan mission was celebrated with pride by the whole nation, and how praises poured in from different space organizations across the world congratulating us of our achievement. The Mars Orbiter mission, popularly known among us Indians as Mangalyaan, is a space probe orbiting Mars since 24 September 2014. It was launched on 5th November 2013 by the Indian Space Research Organization. This is India's first interplanetary mission. Beyond that, we are the first Asian country and fourth in the world to achieve this feat. Moreover, it is worth mentioning that India did it in its first attempt that no other countries were ever able to do. Mangalyaan is said to be most cost-effective interplanetary space mission to ever have been undertaken anywhere in the world, only costing around $73 million, that is around 450 crore rupees, which is considered so less as even Hollywood movies these days are said to have a minimum budget of $100 million. The primary objective of the mission is to develop the technologies required for designing, planning, management, and operations of an interplanetary mission. The secondary objective is to explore Mars' surface features, morphology, mineralogy, and Martian atmosphere using indigenous scientific instruments. Now, the scientists are using Mangalyaan to study sun corona behavior. No need to be confused. The corona we are discussing here is the outermost layer of Sun's atmosphere. It is at the corona where strong magnetic fields fuse plasma and trap the turbulent solar winds, preventing them from escaping. The biggest challenge in studying corona is that astronomers are unable to send probes close enough to the sun to get a clear picture of what's going on there. And another challenge is that corona burns at a temperature rising to 1 million degrees Celsius, while just 1,500 kilometers below, the surface simmers at 5,500 degrees Celsius. Studying the corona is crucial since it passes through interplanetary spaces and is capable of affecting space weather, which would in turn affect us on Earth. So, how can Mangalyaan in Mars orbit be used in studying Sun's corona located this far away? The scientists use the solar conjunction event when Earth and Mars are on opposite sides of the Sun. During conjunction events, which happens once in 2 years for Mars, the radio signals from Mangalyaan pass through the solar corona about 10 solar radii, or about 69,57,000 kilometers from the center of the Sun. The scientists involved in study were from Space Physics Laboratory of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center Trivandrum, Physical Research Laboratory Ahmedabad, and ISRO Telemetry Tracking and Command Network ISTRAC, Bengaluru. According to the study, the scientists found that during transition of solar wind, charged particles released from the upper atmosphere of the Sun shifted from slower speeds to higher velocities, and this occurs in a region that is 10 to 15 times the solar radii from the center of the Sun. Interestingly, they said their findings are similar to the observations by NASA's recent and much costlier Parker probe. ISRO plans to develop and launch a follow-up mission called Mars Orbiter Mission 2, or Mangalyaan 2, with the greatest scientific payload to Mars in 2024. Since ISRO built India's first satellite Aryabhatta, which was launched by Soviet Union on 19 April 1975, it has come a long way and now is one of the 6 government space agencies in the world which possess full launch capabilities, deploy cryogenic engines, launch extraterrestrial missions, and operate large fleets of artificial satellites. We wish the pride of our country all the best in their future endeavors and success in every mission to follow.